Wow, this semester has been an adventure, filled with new learnings with each course each day. Alongside that, new routines are built with this new learning modality. Hi again, my name is Sans Matthew P. Encarnacion, and this has been my journey in the UPOU so far as a first year BAM student, filled with full of news and new experiences. To be honest, in this semester, I haven't really interacted with my professors and classmates as much. Though it may be some things that I still need to get used to, coming from a school having face to face classes learning modalities. Moving on, I'm glad that even in this setup, I still got to interact with some of my classmates and even my professor through the discussion forums in each module we go through and answer. After this semester, I'm glad and lucky enough to be blessed with professors who care about their students' well-being as I see messages coming from professors updating us and guiding us in each step of the way. Some even check up on our own well-beings, especially with the recent events with the different typhoons and bad weather we've all been experiencing in our country. So far, my experience with this virtual campus has been generally great actually. I love how the UPOU gives us independence and freedom, giving us the ability to study and complete assignments in our own pace. I believe that it is nice and all with the freedom and flexibility that UPOU provides us, but this is absolutely 100% up to us learners if we want to excel in our own courses and programs. Because I believe that the amount of freedom and flexibility requires a ton of discipline and time management. And it is important that each student is aware of their own. Moving on, as I'm making this e-portfolio, I check and read on others' own e-portfolios as well on my free time, to be able to learn more about my classmates and my environment. As I'm reading each e-portfolio, I'm amazed by others and their own talents and creations. I'm shocked to see how much they've already accomplished, and purely astonished at how many beautiful theses they did. And with this, I myself use this as an inspiration and motivation to push myself and continue on doing my best by working even harder. Overall, it has been a journey since my start in the UPOU. It has been quite interesting, and I'm very excited in the following semester on how many more new things I would discover and learn. Hopefully by then, I have adjusted more and even get to find and have some online buddies and friends. That is all for me, and I'm truly grateful for this semester. Always remember to give your all in everything you do, and know that it's okay to be lost sometimes, as we are all given our own time and pace to figure things out. Each one of us is great and has ability to be the greatest. Thank you for staying and listening to the vlog.